YouTube, it's your boy, NLV Assassin. What do we have here? An unboxing of not the thumb song, a Mac Studio. This is brand new. Just got it in. Let's unbox it. See what we have here. Here is the I never get these right. Oh, got it right that time. They usually have stuff like this on the iPhones. So, let's lay it down. I like this handle. It's like premium right there, bro. It's premium, premium, premium here. So let's open it up and see what we got. Well, from the beginning, we see we got the Apple card here. So before we move forward, let's see what the card has to say. Ooh, we're definitely gonna sell this on eBay. Just play. This is different. Normally, never unboxed a Studio before, but normally the sticker or decal is white. It's black. So we got that in there. And what else is in here? Doesn't look like there's much more in there. Then we have the Mac Studio. Looks like this little guide, a little before you use your Mac Studio review, essential guide, blah, blah, blah. Who cares? And then it talks about the ports on the back. So we'll use that as a little guide to go through those ports. And what we have here is, if we tilt the box down, you will see inside is the Mac Studio. So let's go ahead and pull this out. Pretty nice size, beefy thing there. And it says, oh, okay, I like this. It's like an expandable box. You see that? Okay, Apple, get clever with it. You pull it out so you can put your hands around it so we can demonstrate. There's a little circle at the bottom that there's a cord there. So if you do that, pull it out, you can get right in, boom. What else is on the inside? If you look, here's the cord. And I think that's about it. Nothing else is usable. So we will take this, throw this in the trash real quick. And let's move the box aside. The box is still pretty hefty. And then you have this paper here. So I'm going to tilt this up for a little bit. And it's literally taped. And it's kind of like it's cardboard under the bottom. But it's kind of like a, it has a warning on it. It says use requires acceptance of software license terms presented electronically during setup. And this is kind of like a paper protector. So we're gonna throw that away. We'll never use that. Oh, trash can really fell off. All right, let's see what we got here. This is kind of like a Mac Mini. It says Mac Studio. I'm pretty sure it's pretty hard to get into, although I'm sure that I can get into it. So we have on the front SD card slot, status indicator, USB-C, Thunderbolt 4, or USB 3 is what they're saying. On the back, what we have is let's zoom in. There we go. 4 Thunderbolt 4s, Ethernet, power right here, sorry, 2 USB A's, HDMI, headphone jack, and power. Fairly simple. The Mac Studio is going to be in my studio, and we are going to be using it. Yes, I just built another computer, but I like Macs as well too. I'm not biased. Just like when it comes to phones, I have both. I have an Android, Galaxy Ultra 2020, the Galaxy S22 Ultra, and I have the iPhone 14 Pro Max. I like both phones, and honestly, if there was a way that I could take both pieces of, a few things from each phone, I would make the perfect phone. This cord looks pretty good. Let me pull this out. Get this cord out, and this cord is not rubber, and it's not traditional like the Apple. Apple usually does, all white accessories, and this one is more black. I kind of like it more with the black because then it's harder to get dirty or to see the dirt. So this is got your traditional plastic insert here, and then this is more like a braided cable. So instead of them going with the hard outer exterior like they normally do, this is more like a braided. Let me see if I can get that in there. Cameras are right here, zoom in. See that? It's like a braided cloth material. So I'll drop all the specs of this device once I edit this video, but I just wanted to do the unboxing real quick, and I will do a couple of screen grabs and everything to add to the video. But just to let you know, I believe this is the 2 terabyte 64 gig RAM edition, but I will have all the details because I don't have the details in front of me. But this is your Mac Studio.